As you can see, it's snowing really bad outside. So many cars going. There's a truck right there. It's pretty bad outside and so much snow. But car's covered. Let's wipe it off. Look at this. All that snow just comes right off. And you can just take it and throw it at the wall or beam or whatever. Let's make a smiley face on the snow here. Look at that. Pretty cool. It's dusted all off. Look at that. It's just cleaning itself off like that. Oh, I got it on my face. See if we can make it fall down. Whoosh. All that snow just coming right off. And I see you got the back. See the roads getting pretty dirty. Most likely no school tomorrow. It's pretty good. Clean all that snow off right there. Get this side all off the top. And make it fall off right there. Door handles. Tires are okay for now. Say we get the sides here. And we get this there. There's a snowflake. Look at the road. Not clean, not clean. Got some lights over there. Look at this front, all that snow. Scrape it off. It's starting to stick to the car. And I say we got this whole top layer off as well. And whoosh, all off. Let's get this light clean. There we go. The logo. And look at this, we got a little bit more left on the windshield. Let's just get all off like that. This is what snow is like here. See, got a big clump. Just kind of throw it outside. Let's get another clump here. Let's grab some more, throw it in the air. Amazing snow. Let's grab some more here. Whoosh. People are looking at me like I'm a weirdo. It's alright. Let's get some more snow. Whoosh. Look at that. Let's get the door handle. Let's check the other tire. Other tire seems to be okay. Go cut and tap. Mirror. You can see yourself. Oh. Looks like I did not leave my flash on. And get that all dusted off. Look at the roads. Look at the roads. Alright. Oh well, thank you guys for watching. See y'all next time. Laters.